everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are going to be talking about the Boxycharm March 2021 Premium Box, some sneak peek spoilers, what we know, all of that. You guys, if you guys caught yesterday's video, I was rather chatty, and if you guys don't know, I sit down and I film pretty much a week's worth of content for you guys, so you see the same old outfit, the same old face of makeup, all of that, which I will be going over for you guys. But in yesterday's video, I said your girl was feeling rather chatty, so instead of making one huge video talking about everything that probably would have been a couple hours long, I decided to do base box, premium, and then sitting down and doing a luxe box spoiler videos for you guys. So I hope that you guys have caught yesterday's video and you'll stay tuned for the BoxyLuxe future spoilers video and all of that. If you guys are curious about the makeup on my face, what I use, I will be going over that with you guys. But again, in yesterday's video, I actually showed you guys how I created this look and all of that. So I am still feeling rather chatty. I drank like 3 cups of coffee today. Don't judge me, because if you're new here, you would not know, but it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, embrace the hot mess, and apparently become very highly caffeinated, and then talk a lot. I feel like I should probably redo this intro, but I'm not, because you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. So let's go ahead and just jump into all the spoilers that we know for the premium box for March. I will maybe be able to keep this video a little bit shorter than yesterday. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Sure, by the time I edit, upload, schedule, and release this video, we will have more spoilers for you guys, but don't worry, your girl always comes back and lets you guys know about them. Now, I can tell you right now, I'm going to jump into important dates for you guys for March. If you are a current Boxycharm member, March 15th is going to be the day that you want to make sure to log into your account at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, again on the 15th, to be able to make your choices for the base and the premium box. Right after that, you can go in, you can start shopping add-ons, which add-ons is where you get about up to 70% off of all kinds of goodies. It's not as big as Boxy Pop-Up, but there is a good amount of products in there. And what you will see and notice in my videos and my spoilers, I do go into detail a lot about the products just for your own information, in case you don't receive these items in your boxes, whether it be the base, the premium, or the luxe boxes. There's still an opportunity 9 times out of 10 to pick it up at add-ons or Boxy Pop-Up. So that's why you guys will see sometimes it's a little repetitive, but just letting you guys know, like, hey, if you didn't get this, we may see it in add-ons. Hopefully that made sense for you guys, but I don't know. Like I said, rather chatty. It's on Monday. You never know what you're going to get over here. Anyways, we are going to focus in on the premium box, which is a monthly subscription. It is $35 a month, and you typically see about $175 worth of goodies in here. You do get to customize one of the items in the box. So if you did jump in to your account to make your choices for the March box, your choices were as follows. And again, I'm going to tell you a little bit about each one of these, because we may see these in add-ons. I'm not 100% for sure. The first item in choices was the Glow Skin Beauty. This is the Beta Clarity BHA drops. Now, from the information that I did pull off of their website, these do have a retail value of $48. A little information about what this particular item does. It targets uneven pigmentation, stimulating cell turnover via gentle exfoliation. The Beta Clarity BHA drops are loaded with clarifying alpha and beta hydroxy acids to eliminate impurities and rebalance excess oil. It's strengthening and refining skin surface to appear for the appearance of fine lines and pores, while the radiance promoting retinol smooths and revitalizes the skin. I love AHAs and BHAs. You guys know that they are definitely a part of my anti-aging skincare regimen. So I feel like these sound really nice. Currently, right now, the ones I use are on like a pad. It's by the McGrath MD, but I mean, this, it sounds like, would do the exact same thing. The key benefits to this is smoothing, a gentle exfoliation. It does have salicylic and glycolic acids, which you know I absolutely love. I love salicylic acids, especially if you do suffer with any type of acne issues like me, almost 43, and have adult acne, hormonal acne. But salicylic acid definitely is a best friend of mine, just as much as glycolic acids. Glycolic does help to refine the skin's texture, reducing the appearance of fine lines and pores. It does have the clarifying benefits and again the brightening benefits in there. And it also says the key ingredients, they do show in here that there's retinol in there, which again, I feel like everybody starting probably early 20s should probably consider some sort of retinol or retinoid type of product, just again because as we age, the cellular turnover slows down, not so much our friend. So retinol is always a really good ingredient, and if it's a little too harsh for you, then stick with this next item that I'm going to talk about as a choice, or you could potentially pick it up in add-ons. And this is called, again, by Glow Skin Beauty, Hydra Bright Alpha Albuterol, I think is how you say it, drops. This actually has lactic acid in here, which if you guys do not know, lactic acid is actually better for you if you have sensitive skin or you are just starting into an anti-aging type of regimen. I definitely would recommend a lactic acid. Definitely do a skin patch test before you dive right into slathering this all over your face. But as far as the lactic acid goes, that's actually what I had started off with in my 30s, and I actually have Hailey using that for her skin now, which she'll be 21 this year. And lactic acid is great. Like I said, if you do have sensitive skin, you're just diving into this. The nice thing about it is you just need a pea-size drop of this. This is not something that you want to jump into using every single day or even twice a day. Start off with, it says 2 to 7 times per week. Now again, do not jump into 7 times a week until you know how your skin's going to react with it. So it says a little information about this. It says even out your skin tone, any dark spots, hyperpigmentation, not to be confused with skin lightening. Okay, so a little information about this. It does say that it is natural plant-based alternative for a gentle yet effective approach to promoting cellular turnover, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So just by the sounds of it, sorry guys, I was literally just choking on my spit because I'm a grown adult and I don't know how to function apparently. But anywho, it does sound like this is between the two of them, it's going to be the one that is definitely geared towards more sensitive skin. But if you think you can take it and your skin will allow salicylic and glycolic acid, like for me personally, I would go with the Beta Clarity BHA drop. The next choice that we did have for our premium box was the Too Faced Hangover primer, which does have a retail value of $35. A little information about this primer, I'm like reading it off of my notes. It's a face primer for instant cure to hydrate, smooth, and brighten the skin for a dewy, healthy looking finish. Now this is going to lead me over to the BoxyLuxe, but I'm not going to go into detail for the BoxyLuxe other than I will tell you guys that if you receive the premium box and the Luxe box, and one of the choices for the Luxe was the Fenty Beauty foundation, this pairs very, very nicely with that foundation. Just letting you guys know, if you do have normal to dry skin, I would definitely recommend hydrating your skin very well and using a hydrating primer if you did choose that Fenty Beauty foundation. Some of the variations that we will be seeing for the premium box, the first one I want to talk about is by Kypris Beauty or Skincare. This is the Illuminating Eye Serum and Shimmer Palette. Okay, so Joe actually gave us a little sneak peek spoiler, and I'll go ahead, hopefully, I don't know if I'll be able to get the voice in there. If not, I'll figure something out. But I am going to go ahead and roll the footage that I did find over on Instagram from Joe giving us the sneak peek spoiler.
Okay guys, here is your sneak peek for premium box for next month, for March. So this is a collaboration with Kypris, and we have an eye serum and primer in one, alongside eyeshadow topper. I'm not gonna do it, all right, but you can see the colors. The item goes for the combination goes for $145. You can obviously find the brand in different stores. I know they're in Nordstrom, great brand. We worked with them before in 2019. So this is our first sneak peek. I will deliver more, so stay tuned.
Okay, so as he said, it sounds like this is going to be a set. I'm assuming that, don't quote me on that, but we will be seeing in our premium box. He says it has a retail value of $145. I can't remember. The information that I did find about the Illuminating Eye Serum, it says it's luminous care for kind eyes. Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer is technology forward featherweight emulsion that creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area. Formulated with sustainability, ethically sourced mica and shea, colloidal platinum, peptides, and ocean extracts to hydrate, soothe, smooth, and brighten the appearance of delicate skin around the eyes. So I thought that sounded absolutely amazing, but the palette is beautiful sounding. Now, he does state in there that this is an eyeshadow topper, but did anybody else get the Jaclyn Cosmetics Skinny Dip palette vibes off of that? I don't even think they have this any longer, this particular palette. And it's such a shame because I just thought this was such a beautiful palette back when it first released. I don't use it as much as I should, but I feel like this palette was great for the like eyeshadow toppers. Just so beautiful. So I'm so excited to see this shimmer palette. Now I do believe this is a variation that we will be seeing, but either way, I'm like, oh, it's got me so excited, especially because I'm curious to pair this primer with those toppers to see if you could go with like a subtle shimmer, or if it's still a tacky base, you could really pile it on. I don't know. I know nothing about it. I know we have seen this brand in our boxes before. I think it was just like one type of serum. So I'm excited to see them coming back. Now, I forgot to mention the Glow Skin Beauty. That's actually supposed to be new to Boxycharm. I don't believe that's ever been in any of our Boxycharms before. The next item that we are seeing that I believe is a variation is the Too Faced Good to Go Moisturizer, which again, this would be great for you if you do have dry skin and you did choose the Fenty Beauty foundation. A little information on that. I'm like looking because I'm like, wait, I didn't print that one off. It's on my phone and I'm looking for my phone as if it's not right in front of me and was just in my hands. Oh goodness. So a little information about the Hangover Good to Go Moisturizer. It does have SPF of 25. It does have a retail value of $35. It says the Hangover Good to Go protects, giving you the hydrated glowing complexion you want while shielding you from the harmful UVA and UVB rays with the broad spectrum SPF 25 protection. This lightweight dewy moisturizer is your daily source of antioxidants, vitamin rich moisture, and sun protection. So those are what we know so far as the premium box goes. So I have a whole list of spoilers for you guys for the BoxyLuxe, so I am gonna hop off and go ahead and film that because like I told you guys, yesterday's video was uber long, plus I did go ahead and put in how I created this look. If you guys are curious and you did not catch that video, I do have the Venus 3 palette by Lime Crime on my eyes today. In that sneak peek spoiler video, I did do a whole how I created this look for you guys. This particular palette we are supposed to see as I think a variation in our Boxycharm Base box for March. So I'm pretty excited about that. Hopefully we will see this in add-ons as well. Like I told you guys, I love to give you all the deets of all the information I possibly can for you guys in case you do want to shop add-ons and add some of these items in your cart. So anyways guys, if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I have a link down below where you guys can sign up. Also right now they do have 2 coupons that at least the day I'm filming this video is live. Hopefully it is still live for you guys, but if you do go ahead and sign up for Boxycharm and you use the code LUCKYEYES, you can get the Violet Voss All of You Forever palette. Beautiful, beautiful palette. And if this isn't speaking to you, that's okay. If you use the code green, you can go ahead and get the Hip Dot palette. and this is what it looks like on the inside. It is very, very pretty. You do get a choice of one of those on top of already getting the items in your box, and it does look like you would get a $10 credit towards your March add-on. So something to consider. Again, I'll have it linked and listed down below for you guys. If you guys are curious about the makeup that I do have on, I'll have it all linked and listed down below for you guys. I do have the Shiseido foundation, the Pat McGrath concealer. As far as my lips, I do have the Ciate London, which this has been in Boxy pop-up and add-ons. This is in the shade Electra, and it is woo. But I did it. I'm outside my comfort zone, guys, between my eyeballs and my lips, living my best life over here. And I do, right in the center, have the Pat McGrath Lip Gloss. It's the mini Dare to Bear lip gloss. Everything else, like I told you guys, will be linked and listed down below for you guys, including the top, the outfit that I can't stop wearing from Torrid. Definitely make sure to check out my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I do a lot of plus size fashion hauls. This was included. And when you guys see this video, there will be another Torrid haul that is live on that channel. Also, I'm going to pop up my QR code for you guys so you can give me a follow over on Instagram at HotmessMama4. It's super easy. Just take your phone, put the camera on it. It'll prompt you right over to my Instagram. Thank you guys so much if you came back and stayed to the end for this video. I greatly appreciate your love and support. You guys are the best. Anyways, guys, until tomorrow for our BoxyLuxe sneak peek spoiler video, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.